Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Setting up a Pinterest account is simple, but choosing the right account type from the start can save you time later. You can create a personal account or a business account, and you can always convert a personal account to a business one later on. All of this depending on your preferences. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go and talk about how to create a Pinterest account. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first thing first, create a new personal account. So from the personal homepage, click sign up in the top right corner, enter your email, create your password, and input your age. Select your gender, language, country or region. Choose 5 or more topics to personalize your feed, then click finish to start using your account. Then basically on the Pinterest app, you can enter your email and tap continue, create a password if you want to, enter your full name and tap next, or you can log in immediately using your Gmail. You can also create a business account from scratch as I told you. You go to the Pinterest page, sign up, create a business account at the bottom of the pop-up, enter your email address, birthday, and secure password, complete the profile feeds. The more SEO optimized the info you provide, the more discoverable your account will be. Select whether you want to run ads and click next, then convert a personal account to business if you already own one. Make sure your account is public, then click on the icon settings in the bottom left corner. All the way to account management, convert your business account, and that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.